day.
We're gonna do pin the tail on the bird. This part will also be in Max's video on his channel. D O R I A N. That spells Dorian. Now go.
Wait, show him which way is the sticky side on the tape.
That was the stick. This way's the sticky side. So hold it like this, and then the thing is right.
No, don't show him where it is.
I'm showing him where the paper is.
Well, still. Back up. Back up, Max. You gotta find it.
What? Why?
Because that's how you play the game.
I'm gonna go.
Hey.
D
What's the hot?
O R I A N.
No, point him in the right direction. There you go. Now go find it, Max.
What if I went into a chair? Okay. Can I open my eyes now?
Mhm.
Oh. Okay. Can we use
No, leave it there. You gotta leave it there. Max, spin her around.
D A
O
O D A
R
I
A
N.
Which
Okay.
way?
This way.
Which way is that way? Point
Okay.
in the right direction.
Point her toward it.
Okay.
Go that way. Oh. Can't feel the pig.
Yeah, you can. I did not mean to put it there.
Okay, you have to put it there.
Okay.
All right, my turn.
D O A
R
I
O
I
A
N.
N. Okay, go.
Turn right.
Turn that way.
Whoa, I'm busy.
It's
No, turn. That way. Go.
that way.
I am so turned around.
Wait. You're go. Okay. I won. Aw, man.
Okay, can we play again?
Mom, Piper, Max. That's hard.
Can we play again?
D O R I
I dropped my tail.
A N. Okay, wait. Here's your tail,
Which side? Okay.
and then it's that way.
Okay.
Go.
Whose hand is that?
Oh!
You figured it out. Pretty good. Let's see if any of us can beat that.
Ow, D O R A
I-A-N.
Okay, go that way. This no, stop. Go, ow, you smashed my arm.
O
O R
R I Where's the paper?
That's the paper. There's the paper. And I can't feel mine.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
Oh,
And she still lost.
E. A.
Oh!
O. A.
R.
I.
A. N.
Go that way.
I do not feel like this is the right way.
That's me. There's the paper. I still won.
Which one's mine? This one?
Yeah.
Maxie wins!
Again.
No.
Why?
He does not like the balloons. Bird
I
cake.
like
It's
bird.
rice cake on the bottom, peanut butter in the middle, rice cake on the top, peanut butter, bird seed, bananas and apples.